Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the manufacturing process for the ball bearing. Okay, so as we have discussed in the previous video, so the bearings having the different components like inner ring, outer ring, cage and the rolling element, you can say. Okay, so these are the component of the bearing. So let's start with the cage. So how the cage is manufactured? Cage is manufactured from the steel plate. We are pressing that sheet and forming the circular ring. Okay, so after that we are using the forging operations to form that ring into cage shape. Then we will perform the finish forging and we are drilling the bore. For assembly purpose we are boring the holes on the cage. Then we'll perform the surface treatment. How the rolling elements are manufactured? So the rolling elements are manufactured from the steel wires. We in the closed die forging we are creating the balls, and after that any burrs are there, we are flushing the burrs from the balls, and then we will do the heat treatment operations like to increase the strength and the toughness of balls. And then we have the fine grinding and the precision grindings we perform, and the lapping operation is performed for the shining of the ball and the very high surface finish. And for the inner ring, so inner ring we generally use the forging operations, achieving the geometry from the forging operations, and then we use the turning operations. So in the turning operations we remove the material, and then we perform the heat treatment operations from the both the side. We are grinding the surfaces, okay, grinding the surfaces, and the groove grinding is there. So there are different grinding operations we use to have the high surface finish of the surfaces. Okay, so there are super finish operations also we use for the inside groove. Likewise for the outer ring we are using the forging operations. After forging operations where we got the geometry, so we use the turning operations and then the heat treatment operations. So after the machining or the turning operations we use the heat treatment to improve the properties of the outer ring. And then after the heat treatment we use the different grinding operation to get the good surface finish for the outer ring, inner ring, and also for the balls also. So after the all components are manufactured, so then we will come to the assembly process where we have the outer ring and inner ring, and we are inserting the ball. So you can see here the outer ring and inner ring we are positioned like this, and ball we are inserting the balls here. And after inserting the balls we need to add the cage from one side and the other side, and we need to fix those cage also so that the balls will not collide with each other. And then we will wash and testing and the rust proofing operations we perform. So friend, I hope this video is informative for you. So if you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.